Hello friends, my name is Neil and here I am with a video on coding. Today I'll explain you and teach you how to make an app called Animal Sounds Learner. In this app, you can just experience a variety of different animal sounds. We are going to make this app using the platform called code.org, in which we are going to use block coding. Now you may be wondering what is block coding. Coding is basically giving set of instructions to a computer, and block coding is just like that. You just need to drop and drag blocks in the workspace. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. First you need to open any browser, Safari, Opera or Chrome. You have to type code.org. Now I have already signed in. If you want to sign in, there will be a button here called sign up. I already signed in, so I don't need to sign up again. Now we have to go on the projects. Now the app we want to make is this. In this app you can experience a variety of different sounds like of bear, crocodile or cow. You can also just click home to again go to the normal page. Now we are going to choose App Lab to create a project. We'll rename this project as Animal Sounds Learner. Now I save it. These are two buttons called Code and Design. In Code, this is the workspace and here we have to write all the codes. Don't worry if you drag unnecessary code. You can just put it back here and it will get deleted. And in Design, you can add buttons, text inputs, labels, drop down, radio buttons, etc. So first we are going to use Design. We are going to drag a label. In label, we can write. I drag it to the corner and then expand its size to this much. Now in the label, I'll rename it as welcome message. And the text should be written as hello, welcome to the Animal Sounds Learner app. Here you can experience a variety of sounds of different animals. Now this text is looking very small. We'll just increase the text size. I'll increase it to 20. Now it's looking perfect. You can also increase it little more. Now we are going to drag a button which will take us to the page where the sounds will be there. We'll rename this button as page 1 take button. And the text in it will be page 1. Now we are going to again put a label here and make it as welcome message 2. Now the text in it will be we have already written hello. Now we are going to explain what we can do here. So we'll write, please click on the page 1 button and then you will be able to experience a variety of animal sounds. Also, you can click the home button to come back on the welcome page. Now this text also looks very small. I am going to keep it around 20. But this is not, oh no, I kept it wrong. Now this is not fitting. I'll just drag in a little here and then increase the size so that I can see the hidden things. Now we have made our screen 1. We are going to rename this screen as the welcome screen. Now we are going to add one more screen and click new screen. This will be renamed as page 1 screen. We are going to drag different buttons and then add some sounds to them. We'll drag only 3 buttons for the basics, but you can add more buttons if you want. I have added these buttons. These are all named as button 1, 2, button 1 is already done. This is button 2, this is button 3 and this is button 4. We are going to keep it as buttons, but we are going to rename the text. I want cow here, a bear here, and a chick here. Now, we are going to write some codes. So, now I'm on the code page. We have to first take this on event block, and this is the main block. In this, we are going to write on event what clicked, the page 1 take button clicked. We had renamed it as well on welcome screen. This page 1 button had been renamed as page 1 take button and we have to click it. So this is done, and now we are going to drag this to the last, and there is a set screen block. You have to drag it here and we have to set screen to page 1 screen. Now we can try this. I'll just try it. Yes, this is working. Now we are going to again drag 3 element blocks for the 3 buttons that we put. And in all of these, we are going to mention button 2, 3 and 4. This is button 2, this is button 3 and this is button 4. Now we are going to see down and down and get a block called play sound. We'll drag it in all 3 boxes. Now the button 2, now you can again see your page 1 screen. The button 2 was of cow. So we are going to choose the sound. We are going to choose animal, and then there is a cow, and I choose that. See, now there the button 3 is of bear. We'll choose that. Animals again and bear. Chose. And now chick. So we are going to choose of chick. Animals again, and then if you're not able to find here, we can just click chicken or search it. See, now we can try it, and I'm sure it will work. Now there's one thing left: how to return back to this welcome page. I already told you we are going to drag a home button. Now on event, and I'm just going to design so that I can place a home button, and we are going to place an image. We are going to choose the photo and icons here and search for home. Home is here. Now this is done. Now we are again trying to write the code. We'll click image 1. Just drag it a little low and click image 1. Now we are going to again click the set screen and set it to welcome screen. So now our app is perfectly done. We can test it. I run it. Page 1. Cow. The voice is coming. Now if I want to go back to welcome screen, I just home, and it's perfectly done. Now you can also share this with your family and friends by just copying this link and sending it to them. Thank you friends, and hope you enjoyed my video.